After the smart plug is configured and registered, this main screen will appear. Device can be toggled directly. It can be switched on and off by tapping on the button. Red and green colors indicate on and off status of the device, respectively. Tapping on the tab will direct to Loop and Schedule page. To add a schedule, tap on Add Schedule. Select the date and time at which you want to switch on the device. Select the date and time at which you want to switch off the device. Now save this schedule. Schedule list will appear here and it will disappear once the set schedule is complete. It is not necessary that you have to select both on and off time. Any one can be selected. Schedule can be set for once, repeated daily, or repeat on particular days of the week. To set a loop, tap on Add Loop. From here, set the duration for which you want the device to be on, in hours and minutes. Similarly, set the off duration. Select the starting date and time for the loop to begin. Similarly, select the loop ending date and time. Select the device state you want the device to be once the loop finishes. Now save the loop. Details of loop will appear here. To delete any schedule or loop, tap on this delete icon next to it. Device can also be remotely toggled on and off using the remote by pressing 1. List of the registered devices will appear here. Device can also be deleted from here. Device details can also be edited from here. New device can be added from here. Touching on the touch switch will toggle the device status on to off and off to on. But this is possible only after the green or red light stabilizes. Flashing if green or red light indicates touch switch is in calibration mode and cannot be operated till the light stabilizes. Watch the next video to reset the device to factory default and reconfigure the Wi-Fi credentials.